Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations, and welcome to Thursday Trade. Today I'm going to be working with SheleeArt style paints, getting back to it, and exploring a little bit of what I can do with my pouring medium to get better cell coverage. So I'm doing a swipe. Let's not talk very much and get right down to it. But first, I really appreciate you being here, and if you haven't done so already, you could push that subscribe button. It helps a whole lot. So let's get to it. What you see here is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and it's stapled in the back, and I've sprayed it with water to try to tighten things up. What we're going to be working with are colors that I've been using recently for a lot of my shorts. So I've got blues, I've got yellows, I've got some golds. I'll explain to you as I put them down. But before we do that, let me put some pillow paint down. This is PPG Multi-Pro, and it's been my go-to for quite some time now. It works for me. So, this is, I'll put the name of this paint down, I think, because I mispronounce it every time. It's a beautiful color, but it will take over, so I have to be very careful how much I put down. And that's mixed with this new pouring medium I'm working with. This is Pearl Turquoise. It's like a light blue, but it really does stretch out beautifully. This Super Pearl Gold by it's a Nova colored paint. Put quite a bit down this one because I like this color. I really do want it to spread out. This is Golden's Azo Yellow. Try to keep it away from the blue as much as I can. I don't mind the green that it gives me, but I'm trying to limit it. This is India Yellow by TriArt. Looks a lot the same, but it's different. It reacts differently. This is Pumpkin Pie by This Little Piggy. Just a tiny bit in here. I just want it for the depth. So now I'm going to put some cell activator. This is Titanium White by Amsterdam, mixed with 2.5 parts of Australian Floetrol. This is Carbon Black, mixed exactly the same way. And this is Abalone. I want this color to be over all of it. I'll get some nice color mixing that way. Because it's transparent, anything that's opaque that's on the palette will stand up. Okay, now I'm gonna flip and swipe. Let that develop a moment. I'm going to try some scoop and drags. I'll see how well my cells stretch. Give it a soft spin, open it up a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Let's start moving it around. Hopefully this super pearl gold will show up on in the end result like it's showing right now. I'm not unhappy with the composition. It does have flow. It does have some interest. This was mostly an experiment to see how much I could stretch those cells. And I think the answer to that is pretty darn far. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. I need to give it a spin because I got to get some of this paint off, which means it's going to change my composition. But that's okay because that's what this is all about. Can't get too attached with any composition on a canvas. with this style, just not possible. I mean, I think frankly, that's anything fluid art. There's been so many times I've had something I really loved and got attached with it. You can try to save things, but the end reality is that the paint sometimes is in charge. Okay, let's do some spinning. See if we can get the rest of this canvas. Really wouldn't mind if I get all of that off. I gotta be careful not to get things too lumped out. Well, let's see how we're doing in the middle. That's pretty darn good. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to dry and I'll talk about this really quickly. I'll get my area cleaned up, bring it back, and I'll show you what's up with the results, and we'll go from there. I gotta tell you, I am super excited by the fact that I finally found a pouring medium I think I can deal with. I want you to notice that my cells stretched beautifully, were able to hold their shape even while stretched. Am I crazy about the composition? I don't know. It's not my best piece ever. The only place it got a little wonky is down here in the white. So that might just been a case of what was going on with my white cell activator. I needed a little bit something. So I just want to tell you, I couldn't be happier with this. And I want you to stick around. Next up is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. And let's see what they come up with this week. And I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.